Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm going to show you technical analysis, how to trade them, what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. I have a warning sign that I think Bitcoin is going to be coming to $25,000. You're going to see that in this video, and we're going to trade. I'm going to show you where I'm going to trade Bitcoin, where I'm going to add positions to Bitcoin. My goal is to accumulate a lot. Right now, I'm starting to buy back into Bitcoin, FXS, MCRT, Uniswap, BNB, and I'm going to do that on big drops on Bitcoin, 25k. Whenever the big drop happens, all coins will drop. That's when I'm going to buy them up, getting ready for the bull market. In stocks, I'm investing in Tesla, Google, Facebook, and TSM, and I'm watching those to see when the fourth final wave has occurred for Tesla to close out my positions before an ABC correction. And you're going to see that all in this video. You can learn all of this in the crypto master course, number 1 in the description. You'll learn how to set up charts if you've been losing money in the markets, if you want to learn how to open trades, shorts, longs, and if you've just been generally not having a good time in the markets, I recommend taking the course to learn. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. In the market, pretty flat yesterday, almost like stable coin. Dogecoin up 1.3%, Solana 1%, MCRT 1% or 0.8%, FXS 0.6%. No massive movement. Bitcoin stable coining. When we zoom out, you can see that I redrew the lines. You can see Bitcoin is in this channel since May. And when we zoom out further, you can see Bitcoin is coming down to this major trend line that it's been on all year. So it's been bouncing off this trend line since the beginning of the year, 2023. You can see here, beginning of the year, from 16K climbing this trend line. So I expect this trend line to hold. It is on its C-wave correction, but for the trend line to break, it will at least need a bounce. That is like guaranteed that it will have a bounce first. So my target would be to short down. Volume is not fading though. Weekly stochastic turning up. Daily stochastic turning up. 4-hourly stochastic turning up. Interesting. Crypto, let's see what the indicator bots say. Crypto Guru bot on the weekly still says blue buy since pretty much 16K. On the daily, it said a sell before this, but just sideways movements. Bitcoin indicator bot is saying sell up there. It called the day to sell, which was perfect. It called it exactly on July, beginning of July. So in my opinion, it comes down to the A point. It has the potential to hold here though. We are having rounding bottom, but you can just see it's like slowly fading down. So now I've already started DCAing. The best point to go long will be from this trend line. Stop loss just underneath to try and catch this big move. And take profit at the top of this channel. But usually decent rising triangles like this usually bounce like and then break down. So it does have the potential to bounce off here and come to B and then have that C wave recovery. So it is very possible. So we'll just catch this bounce, but then I'm still expecting it to go down to C to around here, 25K. And that's where I'm going to be buying a lot of Bitcoin. But I'll DCA down to that point. So I'll start adding to that point. But I will take a short-term bounce off this trend line. So the trade will open at 27,449. Stop loss 26,947. Take profit 32K. Risk to reward is 9.8. I'm risking $500 to make $4,933 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, $49,000 profits. 100x leverage, $490,000 of profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. But again, this point here, this green line, is the point that I want to accumulate a lot of Bitcoin at 25K. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video down below, take the course, jamescryptoguru.com, to learn how to set up your charts and get those indicator bots and the Bitcoin indicator bot. 2, trading on Bybit using that link. You get a $30,000 bonus when you trade using this link on Bybit. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you now trading, and almost 9,000 of you trading and discussing together. The links are down below, 1, 2, 3 in the description. Once you sign up to Bybit, you get an account like this. In here I have $326,000. It's up about 1,000 or something. Yesterday I've got 172,000 USDT, $45,000 worth of Doge, $24,000 worth of MCRT, $11,800 worth of Bitcoin, $7,000 worth of FXS holding quite strong. I'm going to buy another $1,000 worth of FXS because it's just showing strength. This is spot position, so I'm literally buying it. I'm going to buy another $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. I'm just DCAing. I'm starting to buy back into Bitcoin. I've got buy orders at 28,000, at 27,000. I'll add buy orders at 26,000. Let's buy one Bitcoin at 26,000. 25,000 is where I would love to buy it. That if that pulls back to that trend line. So 25,000, I've got buy orders. Yeah, and that's what I'm holding right now on Bitcoin. I'll quickly do Ethereum as well. So let's jump into Ethereum. Also in this channel, also rising, broadening wedge, which is usually not so good. As they rise and broaden and they fail, they drop out. So Ethereum can come to 1400, but we respect the trend line from the beginning of the year. So I do expect a bounce off this trend line. How far that bounce goes is what we need to see. But I do expect a bounce from this trend line. I would open the trade on major support here. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum going to the top of the channel. But again, we have to closely monitor what happens after the bounce happens. So opening the trade at 1774, stop loss 1734, and take profit 2,800, risking 25 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $40 per Ethereum to make $1,047 per Ethereum, 25 times your risk to reward, which is amazing. 10x leverage will be $10,000 profits, 100x leverage will be $100,000 profits. Those are my two trades on Ethereum, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. That's Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me comment in this comment section down below any tickers that you want me to analyze. I'm going to be accumulating FXS, Uniswap, MCRT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, especially as Bitcoin pulls to 25k. There's going to be a lot of buying opportunity there for the bull run. I'm going to try and accumulate. A lot of alts are very oversold right now, so I am starting to accumulate for the bull run, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, amazing weekend, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.